Hey, thanks for watching. Before I start on this review of the Harbor Breeze Mazon fan, please subscribe to my channel. I post lots of videos about home improvement and things I've learned. So, in the last 5 years or so, we've lived in 2 houses. I've installed probably at least 6 of these. This is my favorite fan. I think it's an awesome fan. And I'm going to tell you all the reasons why I think it's an awesome fan. But let me turn it on for you first. So I'll put it on 3. It's really fast. It's 3 speeds. It puts out a lot of air. I'll turn it down to 3. Turn it down to 1. That's actually another thing I want to show you. I really like this remote control. The remote control is super small. It's super easy to use. There's only 5 buttons on it. Some of the remote controls have like a million buttons. You press different buttons to turn it on and off, and it's super confusing. This is 0 for off, 1, 2, 3 is the speeds, and the light button turns on the light. One thing that I actually didn't realize for a while, if you hold down the light button, that will lighten or darken the brightness of the light. So it went dim, now it's going bright again. Actually, it took me ages to realize that was the case. There's also another really nice thing about this, which is when you turn it off at the wall, when you turn it back on, I'm going to turn it on now, it remembers the previous setting. So I think that's really nice. If it's a room that you don't use very often and you walk in, you can just flick the switch and it comes on. In terms of installing, very, very simple. It's ceiling mount. Some fans have separate remote control boxes, which just make it a bit harder to install. Extra wires. This one doesn't have it. It's all built in. It's very easy to assemble. What else do you want to know? I did read some people saying that the LED light, stops working. We haven't experienced that with any of these. But that said, we don't use the light a whole lot. We tend to use the, bedside lights in the bedrooms. By the way, we have 9 feet ceilings. I think, the sort of conventional wisdom is that if you have 9 feet ceilings, then you need a fan that's lower down. I haven't experienced that is necessary. We don't use these in every room of our house. This is quite a small bedroom, and it works great in smaller rooms. In bigger rooms, you might want a bigger fan. Although, it does depend where your bed is. If your bed is under the fan and you just want some breeze at nighttime, these are great. They're 120 bucks in Lowe's normally. They're almost always on sale for 99 bucks each. And I'm a big fan. So that's my review. It's the Harbor Breeze Mazon. It's spelled like Amazon, but without the A at the beginning. And yeah, I think they're pretty cool. One last thing, I know they come in 4 different colors. This is the brushed nickel. I'm a big fan of this one because I think it looks really nice. It's kind of modern. I think this will look good in 10 years or 20 years. Oh, one other thing. There is a switch there. That's to reverse it. During winter, if you want to reverse and sort of pull air up to the room, it just sort of circulates the room and help keep it warmer. You can do that too. So, pretty cool. I think it's a good fan. Thanks for watching, and any questions, just post them in the comments. And please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.